this is Nigeria and anything can happen to me.
I want to bring her back to that story where they happen for that sister who come for UK, where her name now Susan Lawani, where he say come for Benue State and they come quarantine and say she get corona. From there they can do several tests, they see result, and she can't tire for the matter. I say because the matter don't be like say don't enter isolation detention matter where she can't crash for all Nigeria. Say I beg Mona put head for the matter, Mona talk for me, make you no be like say I just did the quiet and they die alone. And the Oga for Minister of Health for Nigeria himself, where he name now Oga Osage Nahire, he don't come out, can't talk, say this matter for this woman. He said we don't look into the matter. He said the thing where they there be say me say personally he don't call the woman. He said when he call her, he tell her say madam what be the problem. The woman don't tell her say see the problem what they face. They don't do several tests and yet I need to understand the result. Now he contact the woman say madam make you no worry. He said but we look and say they say you don't deny 3 test results to the big woman. Say yes.
NCDC had done 3 tests on me since I'm in this forceful detention center. They did a test on the 10th, they did one on the 15th, they did one on the 17th. As I speak to you, I do not have results of one test that have been conducted here.
Because they don't do one, do second, do third one. Which can't test the test? I mean the test kid no good at what happen. She got a suspect foul play. He said, but him don't talk to the woman. He said, I need to tell the woman, say, madam, make you no worry. We go look into the matter. He said, I think talk to her. She can't agree. They can't tell her, say, madam, they will carry out the test again. Make you no worry, we will look into the matter. He can't say they can't come back to the test again with NDCD people. The woman can't talk, say no, she no agree, make NDCDC do her test.
Record me, Sam, it's against my human rights. Do not record me.
I'm not telling you, I'm here finally to deal with you. I told you refuse that I don't see you.
No, I didn't say he really refused to see me.
This is the computer I'm down with.
I need to see his ID, sir.
I'm identifying him.
No, I need you to identify yourself too.
Okay, thank you.
I need you to identify yourself. Yes, I need to, because I'm not sure. Now, this is Nigeria and anything can happen to me. As you're recording me, the same thing, I'm recording you.
She said, Lala, she no want. Say me what health can do test for her. He can't say, now you can call her back. Say, but madam, maybe so we agree with you now. You say you go agree me they test you. After they don't bring all your test results as you demand and I don't bring them for you. Why you no want me to test you? Say na warhead. She said, yes, so now warhead go test her. And if they test herself, he said to go confirm the test where we say na UK, may they go test her. He said, my people, when I know say this thing will hard where for you to carry test blood, they go UK, they go find the result. He said that one a very, very hard thing. He said, the woman can't talk, say, well, for this matter now, I don't want to talk to anybody won't talk to me. Make you talk to my lawyer. As he say she don't get lawyer for the matter because she don't understand the way the matter they go. Oga Osage can't talk, say, well, this matter, he said this thing that they follow and gently to make sure say they follow the United Nations standard for testing and World Health Organization process how they take test people. So you know, we wonder why this woman they stop on small for this matter. But for that case, he go see as he go take handle them, make the woman too pro and make everything settle for the matter. My people, this na Pidgin News Network and a man on the street be this.